Are you sick of protein shakes and salads that don't taste good? Imagine crunching down on juicy, tasty foods that are also good for you. Get ready to get rid of the diet blues, because we're about to reveal a treasure chest full of 20 gluten-free, low-carb, and no-sugar foods that will change the way you eat. Don't believe what you thought you knew about living well. This isn't about going without. It's about finding something wonderful. Stay tuned, because our top 5 can't believe it's healthy picks are about to blow your mind. Our first food is the powerful avocado. It's the best smooth addition to any meal because it's full of fiber and healthy fats. Next up, the incredible edible egg, a protein powerhouse and breakfast champion. It's a protein powerhouse that can do it all. Say hello to unsweetened Greek yogurt. Your gut and your taste buds will thank you. It's a protein powerhouse with a refreshingly tart flavor. It's great for smoothies, dips, or just a quick snack. Spinach, Popeye's favorite food, is a low-carb wonder that is full of minerals and vitamins. Let cauliflower be your character in the vegetable world. You can rice it, mash it, roast it, or do anything else you want. Want some pasta? You can eat zucchini noodles instead, which are light, fresh, and ready to soak up any sauce. For a quick and cheap weeknight dinner, chicken thighs are a great choice. Almonds are a great snack to take with you because they are crunchy and full of healthy fats. Bell peppers are bright and can be used in many ways. They give salads, stir-fries, and fajitas a sweet crunch. If you're wanting something salty, sugar-free beef jerky is a great choice because it's high in protein and tastes great. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your brain and taste great. Cheese lovers, rejoice! Yes, you can eat some cheese while on a low-carb diet. Choose full-fat types to get the most flavor. Though they are small, chia seeds are very healthy because they are full of fiber and omega-3s. Berries that are low in sugar, like blueberries and raspberries, can easily sweeten things up. Full of antioxidants and bursting with taste. Olive oil, which is known as the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, makes food taste great and adds healthy fats. The best is yet to come. Here are the top 5 foods that are low in carbs, sugar, and gluten that are also ridiculously easy to incorporate into your daily life and taste great. Butter is the best thing for keto dieters because it makes food taste rich and delicious. Enjoy dark chocolate that doesn't have any sugar. It gives you chocolate cravings and is full of antioxidants. Finally, grass-fed beef is a good source of lean protein that is also very healthy. You should have a lot of great new ideas in your recipe book by now. Don't forget that living well doesn't have to be hard. There are things that are good for you and taste great that can help you feel great.